Are you in need of an efficient and reliable solution for recycling copper wires? Introducing the GM-S05 small copper wire granulator, the ultimate tool to revolutionize your recycling process. Our GM-S05 offers unmatched efficiency, enabling you to quickly granulate small copper wires and maximize your productivity with a 99.9% recovery rate. A compact design that saves space and seamlessly integrates into any workspace without sacrificing performance. An eco-friendly approach, helping you contribute to a greener planet by recycling valuable copper and significantly reducing energy consumption. Cost effectiveness, allowing you to boost your profits by turning waste into valuable raw materials. User-friendly operation, with an interface that ensures a hassle-free experience and minimal maintenance requirements. Choose the GM-S05 small copper wire granulator for superior build quality, advanced technology, and comprehensive customer support. Upgrade your recycling capabilities with a machine that's both efficient and energy-saving. Contact us now to learn more and place